It gives me great pleasure to talk to you today about Georgia Power and how they have helped me transform my kitchen through a major renovation. Now, as a young culinarian growing up, we were taught gas, gas, gas. But when I looked at blueprints and I looked at what the new electric equipment can provide, I went from a 90% gas philosophy and ended up with a 80% electric kitchen. We have fryers and kettles, tilting skillets, pizza ovens, steam tables, steamers, many things that in the past, as I was growing up in the industry, would have been gas. So we're looking at a whole different philosophy the way electric cooking has moved over the last 20 years. What electric cooking does is it provides cooler kitchen, and with the temperatures in the kitchen a lot lower, it gives us ability to keep proteins at certain temperatures a lot closer to our electric equipment. In its radiant heat, watching pancake batter cook in the top left corner, the exact same as in the middle. That is impossible with a gas griddle. One of the most important things is the consistency that we have to put into our product. Consistency is the #1 factor in the success of any chef in any kitchen. How can electricity provide this consistency? #1, through technology, we do have the heats that we can get up to, which is very important for when you are cooking at a professional level. You need high heat. When you have 25,000 people out here, it's a lot of pressure to deliver. And the electric, a fuse blows, it's replaced in a minute. Gas, you shut the whole kitchen down. There's no question that electric has been the one thing that I think has kept us consistent. And by working with Georgia Power and building that relationship through the educational part, through constantly coming and showing me new equipment, new manufacturers, keeping me abreast with technology, not only do I have a supplier when I go home and turn on my light, I have a partner in the kitchen, which is helping me maintain my technological advantage in today's busy industry.